Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find player tag in Clash Royale. To find your player tag in Clash Royale, first of all, open up your Clash Royale application on your device. Once you open it up, go to the Battle section. Make sure that you are clicked on the Battle option, and then in the menu appearing, tap on your profile name at the top left. Now this will open up a pop-up where you will be able to see your player tag right underneath your name. You will see a hashtag followed by a series of letters and numbers, and this will be your player tag. Go ahead and press on the player tag, and you will then be able to copy it by tapping on the copy tag button. You can also share it by copying it, or you can also take a screenshot of this page to send it to others. Your player tag is useful for adding friends, joining clans, and sharing your profile with others. So that's how you easily find your player tag in Clash Royale. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.